Welcome to RepairMedia, your one-stop repair shop. When it comes to technology, accidents happen. Devices break, screens crack, and buttons stop working. In these frustrating moments, it's important to know where to turn for help. That's where our repair service comes in. But what devices do we actually support for repairs? Let's take a closer look. Smartphones have become an essential part of our lives. We rely on them for communication, entertainment, and so much more. That's why we offer repair services for a wide range of smartphones. Whether you have an iPhone, Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, or any other popular smartphone brand, we've got you covered. Tablets have gained popularity in recent years, offering a larger screen and more versatility than smartphones. If your tablet is in need of repair, you're in luck. We support a variety of tablet brands, including Apple iPads, Samsung Galaxy Tabs, and Amazon Fire tablets. From cracked screens to battery replacements, our technicians can handle it all. Laptops are essential tools for work, school, and entertainment. When your laptop starts acting up, it can be a major inconvenience. That's why we offer comprehensive repair services for laptops. Whether you have a Windows laptop, MacBook, or Chromebook, our skilled technicians can diagnose and fix the issue. Desktop computers are the workhorses of the tech world. They handle heavy tasks and provide the power needed for demanding applications. If your desktop computer is experiencing issues, don't worry. We support a wide range of desktop brands, including Apple, Dell, HP, Lenovo, and more. From hardware repairs to software troubleshooting, we've got you covered. For many people, gaming is a beloved hobby. But when your game console stops working, it can put a damper on your gaming experience. That's where we come in. We offer repair services for popular game consoles like PlayStation, Xbox, and Nintendo Switch. Whether your console is experiencing hardware issues or software glitches, our technicians can get you back in the game. In addition to the devices mentioned, we also support a variety of other tech gadgets for repairs. This includes smartwatches, fitness trackers, headphones, and more. If you have a device that needs fixing, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Our team of experts is here to help.